Alright guys, we are currently in the G80 M3. We're actually gonna go meet up with Sticks and another one of my boys. We go for a little drive down to Times Square. This is the first time I'm going for a proper drive ever since like putting the intake on this car, and honestly this thing sounds so much better. But Sticks' car and my boys as well, like he's got a 435, Sticks has a 440. Their cars sound crazy. Definitely a lot more obnoxious and crazy sounding than the G80 M3. They pop and bang like typical BMWs. So it's definitely gonna be entertaining to see them drive through the city. We'll get a nice outside perspective. So we're gonna head over to a gas station to meet up with them, which is actually a perfect spot because I'll be honest with you guys, right now, I have like no gas in the M3. Look at these gas prices, guys. Oh my goodness. This is exactly why I go to Costco gas. And you guys judge me. By the way, Costco gas is top tier. This is crazy, man. Oh my God. We're only putting 10 bucks. All right, don't judge me, guys. I put 20 bucks. It is what it is, man. Like, this gas is so freaking expensive. I'm gonna go fill up at Costco instead. Also, the first credit card that I tried to use literally got declined. I have no idea why. I'm assuming it's because I'm in the Bronx and I never get gas here, so the credit card company probably thought it was like stolen. So I had to use another credit card. And then when I tried to use that other credit card, like the machine got stuck. It like literally froze. So I had to make sure that it went through because someone else could have pulled up and maybe used my credit card. So I've been here for a while trying to fill up gas. Not even fill up gas, I put freaking 20 bucks. Anyways, guys, this is a struggle. Hopefully the rest of the night doesn't go like this, but who knows, TBD. We've been just like roasting each other the last like 5 minutes. Well, we got Sticks here, the 440. We got the 435. Yo, you got your YouTube channel on this thing?
Only
Explicit Whips.
Only,
I'll link you guys both.
There's only Sticks.
Anyways, we're about to roll out. They're late, of course. I'm always the first. Oh, who's skirting? That was a Jeep. Yeah, anyways, we're about to roll out. Gonna go for a quick, like, we'll do like a POV mainly. Again, my car is quiet, but their cars sound stupid loud, especially, yo, actually you guys will get to hear it. B58 versus N55. Still to this day, N55 sounds the best, but you guys will hear them both. Anyways, let's go for a drive.
I avoided all of them.
Guys, in typical New York fashion, we hit traffic. It is literally past midnight. It's like almost 1 a.m. right now. I actually think it's 1. No, it's like 12:30. Anyways, we hit traffic, which is wild. But yeah, anyways, man, this car, yo, this M3, whenever I get to drive it like this, of course within the speed limit, it just handles so amazingly, man. It handles, like, you just feel so confident driving this car, but it doesn't sound nearly as good as that N55. The N55, man, just sounds amazing. This car sounds better with the intake, but I can't wait to get an exhaust for it. I think even with an exhaust, it's not gonna sound as good as the N55, but it should sound better regardless. It'll feel more exciting to drive. Like, I'm not gonna tune it right away because I feel like this car is fast enough just the way it is. But if we just make it sound better, it sounds better and it sounds more dramatic, like that's pretty much like what I need and what I want. Square. How do I know? That guy right over there. It's nice, right? Little gimmicky, but it's cool.
Oh, it's a G80.
Yeah, it's a G80.
Yo, what do you guys gotta send me the footage from that?
Come back.
Yo, what do you guys gotta send me the footage? That was hilarious. How she knows a G80?
I don't know. They know.
That was,
they know, bro.
Yo, some girl literally drove by. I was like, that's a G80. That should be the intro, legit. Yeah, anyways, guys, we here.
I thought there'd be more people outside, bro. I like
440. G80. Yeah, that looks good.
Yo, I always felt on the way over here that I was in that video game.
Yo, Need for Speed, right?
That you was in the video game?
Yo, I was.
Yeah, you was wild. Bro, you be cutting.
You told me.
Yeah, but you.
Yeah,
you
good thing we passed by Mexico to get here, right?
Yeah, you know, we went by Mexico, and the government is right there.
Alright, guys, we officially got kicked out by the cops over there. So, with that said, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It was honestly fun. It's always fun driving with friends, but we gotta find like better roads, like more open roads, not just like city roads. City is fun, but it's too hectic. We can't really like open up the cars. We gotta go to Mexico. Anyways, guys, go check out my boy Explicit Whips, Sticks if you haven't already. And yeah, with that said, this video is pretty much done. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.